My name is Brocky Laughlin, and today we're playing Asphalt Airborne, and we're starting in 11:39 a.m., so not 7 o'clock a.m. Um, I'm just worried about it. My phone just stopped, and something. Oh yeah, my phone is not stopping right now again. This is my stop of my game. Good kill. That was a nice good kill right now. So I can't believe it. Oh. I can't believe I hit the car in the ramp. My car is pretty weird, and it speeds so hard. And hey, it speeds so good. Whoa. What the... What the hell? Let's see what Anthony Joe's is. There's the Mercedes. Another Mercedes. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Another one, too. I'm going to hit him another one. Wow, it was so pretty impressive. It was a nice race. Sorry guys, my game just stopped right now, and I have to try it again right now, and yeah, okay. Have you seen my car when I just invented this morning? I invented the Citroen Survolt, so do you know I've really invented? Cause my car is invented, like, for first time. Just like Drive Club for the PS4, and whatever it's called. It's not the Crew, well, maybe. But it was pretty impressive when people liked the song. And people like Citroen Survolt. It was pretty awesome when who would like a drive. Well, who would like to drive. So let's see if I'm gonna drive this car and see when I earn the lesson. Okay, guys, this is the last warning right now. I am going to be using the map in Nevada in Knockdown, so it's going to be the last warning. Don't crash while driving. Are you kidding me? Okay. Kept making my phone glitch.
Hi. You want to talk, you better get up.
Well, that was close. Wow. Wow. Whoa, that was the most multi-stunts. Let's do a multi-flat spin. Nice. Multi-stunts coming right up. That's the most funniest thing I ever saw on that trick. Nice. Got you now. How do you like that? Good takedown. This video is going to get end soon. Nice. Wow. I crashed into halftime. Oh geez. Wow. My car just smashed again. Like, my car smashed through in the wall. Like, wow. This is so bad. One more hit, and we're done. One more hit, and we're done. Ooh, smash. Well, thanks for watching my video right now. It ends in 11:49 a.m. right now. And make sure to subscribe. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And make sure to leave a like button below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.